Right. Are you ready to harvest? Ready to harvest some chili. And there's a few eggplant here. There. Harvest time. At lumamig sobra. Ayan yung mga talong. I-harvest natin lahat.
I found some more. There.
Okay.
There.
May talong pa oh.
Big.
Mag-brown na, bebe.
It's fun.
It's fun, hey? There. Meron pa dyan na isa. Yung sili, oh. Tapos may kamatis dito na buhay pa.
Plants. Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Let's have a tomato.
Tomatoes.
I found some more.
I think that's enough for now, anak. Just put in the fridge. There. Yeah, we just... Okay. Then we go on this side. Then now it's time for eggplant here, see? You just pick them and I'm going to cut them, okay? Oh boy, there. See, they're small because they're not growing.
No, this one
Because
big.
of too much lamig.
Big.
Too much cold.
Big.
Where?
It's big here. Here. Here.
Oh, okay. Where?
Here.
Oh, okay. There. And this one too. You just pick on the ground. Okay. Ay, meron pa dito, oh. Ayan. Ito nitong mamatay, oh. Oh, look at that. It's froze. Froze na siya.
Big, big.
Oh, these poor silly are froze na.
Oh, so
Yeah, they're dying. See?
they're alive.
Yeah, we need to harvest them.
They're alive.
Yeah, they're still alive.